Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I am show how to download large file or any apps over 150 MB. When we download any apps that over 150 large, we cannot download it because its size is over 150 MB. So how can you download this app? Please watch this full video and learn how to download over 150 MB large file. First you go to your settings. Then tap on general, then tap on date and time. Here you can see the set automatically option are green signal. It's on. If you touch the green signal, it's look like off. When it white color, it offs. And here you see the date and time. So now you can change your date and time advance 2 or 3 months. If you change this time advance 2 or 3 months, you can download any apps over 150 MB. Now here the 3 August 2019, it says 3 August, here 3 August. So I change this. Here touch on here August, September, October, here October. Now you see 15 October 2019. Then you can back here, you can back and again back on your app store which app you download. Now you start your apps installing. You can download these apps by using mobile internet. Thank you so much for watching full videos.